my name's Eric and I'm a mechanic here at ASC. And today we're going to explain the proper method of picking sheet metal up off of a pallet without scratching the surfaces and without overly exerting your back. First thing we do is fill out a JSA and then we'll explain the rights and the wrongs. Okay, so here we are ready to get started. Javier Arias is going to be here to help me demonstrate. We're going to show you first the two wrong methods and then we'll go into the correct method. So one of the wrong methods is grabbing the sheets like this with your palms down and picking up, which makes you pick up like this. The sheet wants to curve. Now you're pulling and picking at the same time in a tug of war to inch out, and it's really hard on your back. The second wrong method would be, a lot of people tend to get on the sides, pick it up, which puts a nice curve into it and it stays straight. But again, you're leaning and arching your back and walking to the side with this heavy sheet, and you're taking the full load, the full weight of the sheet. Okay, so we went over a couple wrong methods. Now we're going to explain the proper method. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab the outside of the sheet, get a hold of it, we'll get another hold of it here, and what we're going to do is we're going to lean it up and slide it off the pallet. All right, ready? Lean it up. And then we'll slide it off. Now, we slid it off, which is really only scratching the back of the sheet. It's not scratching the surface of the other sheet, and it's not obviously not scratching the surface of this sheet, which is good because the back sheet's always going to get scratched when they put on horses or in the shear or on the ground. It's just going to happen. But what's important is we don't scratch the surface. That's always going to remain the good side. So now that we got the sheet stood up, and we need to move it to a different location, we're going to use a sheet metal wooden pallet to place it on, and then we'll use the long pallet jack to grab that, and you'll see right now. So now we got our sheet metal on a pallet, which is on a pallet jack, which is going to make it very easy to get around the shop. However, do keep in mind there are different weight sheets, and the heavier sheets could require a forklift. And that chart is located over on the shear, which gives you the weights and also gives you a nice pictorial if a forklift is needed or how many people even. Thank you for watching and be safe.